Hello my dear students, today we are going to see Journalism and Mass Communication Unit 2 Journalism. Subtopics: what is journalism, history of journalism, the role of the press, functions of the press, journalism as a career, qualification of a successful journalist. So let us start the explanation now. What is journalism? The activity or profession of writing for newspapers, magazines, or new websites, or preparing notes to be broadcast. This is called as journalism. Now let us see the definition for journalism. Journalism means writing for journals. It is communication of information through writing in newspapers, periodicals, or magazines. People have an inborn desire to know what is news. The journalists satisfy their curiosity by writing in newspapers and journals about the current events and news. Now, let us see the history of journalism. Joseph Pulitzer is the father of journalism. He is an Hungarian-born journalist. Father of modern journalism is Walter Lippmann. Father of Indian journalism is James Augustus. Journalism is an account of history of any incident, event, or happening. It is a contemporary report of changing scenes, intended to inform readers of what is happening around them. The public should know what exactly happened and not a fabricated or sensationalized version of it. Who is journalist? A journalist is one who takes up journalism as his profession. Journalist is anyone who contributes in some way to the gathering, selection, and processing of news and current affairs for the press, radio, film, television, cable, the internet blogs, the mobile, PDA, and the iPod. Role of journalism. All the media are listed under the general head Press of Journalism. Human beings are curious to know about their fellow beings and their doings. They are interested in knowing what goes on around them. Journalism communicates with people, with as many people as there in the world. Journalism means a nose for news and a feel for words. It is an art. None can teach the fairer aspects of journalism, and no cosmetic surgeon can give us a nose for news. So journalism is of information about people, and for people it mirrors what world to the world. Functions of journalism. The functions of the press or journalism are as follows. The first one, to inform. The second one, to instruct. The third one, to entertain. And the fourth one, to merchandise. The various departments in the newspaper organizations are engaged in this job. On the editorial side, it has two important wings of reporting, that is field work, and editing, that is desk work. The journalist, particularly the reporter, gathers news as things happen. He is called the unknown historian. The gathered news of the reporters are being shaped to suit the needs of the readers, listeners, and viewers. In a democratic society, the press has been rightly called as the fourth estate. It is the media's obligation to focus the attention of the people on the many administrative errors of commission and omission, means avoid. The media can construct and destroy, blacken and brighten, quicken and slacken anything or anybody. It was Macaulay first used the term fourth estate. The gallery in which the reporters sit has become the fourth estate. There are three estates exist, namely Lords, Royalty, Common. Qualification of a journalist. In the past, journalism did not demand educational qualifications or professional training. It was an open profession for all. Anybody who had a flair for writing and an aptitude for journalism could join in it. His success depended on his capability and hard work. Some people say that journalism must always be an open profession. Hard and fast rules about educational qualifications and professional training should not be prescribed. Here we have some of the famous personalities, names like Gandhi Tilak, Ambedkar, Mohan Roy, etc. had no journalistic training and yet brought glory to the journalistic field. The top journalists of the present day have had no worthy educational qualifications and formal training. They have risen to eminence by sheer aptitude and untiring work. Nowadays, journalism has become a challenging profession. It is full of career opportunities. It has become very much a high-tech industry. Naturally, it demands certain academic qualifications, special knowledge, professional training, and technical skills. The following are some of the qualifications and requirements expected to the journalistic profession now. A minimum basic educational qualification that enables a person to express his ideas fluently in writing. A diploma in journalism is desirable. Good knowledge of shorthand and typewriting. Good knowledge of English, knowledge of Hindi and regional languages will be greatly helpful. A good knowledge of grammar and the correct use of language. A strong vocabulary and a desire to pick up new words in different subjects. A flair of writing and a command over language. He must have fairly good knowledge about law, religion, science, economics, politics, war, etc. He should be interested in philosophy, music, sports, cinema, and other cultural activities. He must acquire a vast general knowledge. A journalist should have a thirst for learning. To flourish in his profession, a journalist should be far-sighted and resourceful. He must be tactful, diplomatic, and alert. A sound mind in a sound body is essential to a journalist. He must have the stamina to withstand the stress and strain of long hours of arduous and tedious work. A journalist has to cover riots and war, risking his life for the sake of his profession. A person needs a lot of guts to survive in the journalistic field. He should be bold and judicious in a moment of crisis, especially when covering riots, communal disturbances, workers' demonstrations, etc. A good journalist should have a proper understanding of public relations. He has to develop a rapport with all kinds of people, from the Prime Minister to a local leader. Journalism is a highly competitive profession today. We are now in an era of computers, faxing, email, internet, and other electronic media have put modern man on the information highway. A journalist should possess honesty, integrity, and character to win the faith and respect of the people. Love of his profession and hard work will definitely bring tremendous success to a journalist and reputation to his paper. Journalism as a career. Journalism career basics. At the most basic level, journalists investigate, collect, and present information. Journalists do this in newspapers and magazines, but it can also be done in radio and television, broadcast and online through websites, blogs, podcasts, and other digital platforms. Finally, we came to the end of the session. Hope you understood the explanation and notes. Thank you.